So welcome back to my channel. So for today's lessons, we will going to remove the background image. So if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to Isabel Diaries and hit the bell notification for updates. Start with Canva tutorial. So for today, we will going to learn how to remove the background image using Canva mobile app. So we go to Canva app, and then I will choose here the Your Stories template. So I will just go to the blank template and then open it, and then I will upload my own picture that I'm going to use to for this project. So I will use this picture. Then for references, I will just make it bigger so you can see that also. So to remove, you can see the bottom part you can remove. With this one, we will use the effects, and then you will see their background remover. So you just have to click it, and let's see. Voila! So that's it. Easy, 1 2 3. So but for this effects, for this perks, you have to have a Canva Pro. Otherwise you cannot have that. So yeah, you just have to add it, and then if you want to adjust the colors and everything, you can also do that. That's for today. See you on my next Canva tutorial. Thank you.